So this is number 51 from 6.3. It's a volume of revolution. So I graphed the graphs they've given us, and it says first quadrant. So it's only going to be that region rotated around this line. So I'm going to do it kind of a fast way. Let me do it the fast way. So a volume, you're going to take the volume of the bigger shape, okay? The whole thing. So if we rotate this around, we're going to get a shape. And we're going to get the volume of the whole bowl. But then we're going to realize all this here is going to produce a hollow center part. And we have to take away that empty part to get the volume of just the bowl part. Okay? So same setup. It's always going to be pi r squared because you're producing disks. Whenever you rotate, you're producing disks. So it's always pi r squared. We're going to go from 0 to 2. How do I know 0 to 2? Because it's first quadrant, that's 0. And we're going up to here, and we know that's 2 because that's where the lines hit the x-axis. So we're going to add up disks from 0 to 2. And what are these disks going to look like? That one's not so pretty, but kind of like that. Okay, that's a representative disk. Shrink it down a bit. And the first disk will be at 0 and the last disk at 2. So that's why you have that. Then we have to subtract the hollow middle parts. So we always do minus pi r squared, but it's a different radius. It's a smaller radius. That's what we're going to do. And what are your radii? Okay, so R1, I'm going to tell you, we're going to do this as a shortcut now. It's the furthest graph from the axis rotation. This is my axis rotation. Which one's furthest? The pink graph. So I'm going to do big X minus small x. Which x is bigger? The green line or the fuchsia line? The green line, farther to the right. So big X is 3. Small x is the fuchsia, but that's not x, that's y. I need to solve for x. So I need to subtract 2 from both sides and then divide both sides by -2. That's my x. So it's y minus 2 over -2. So that's going to be, I guess I can simplify that for you. 3 plus y over 2 plus 1. So it's 4 plus y over 2. Okay. Now, what's your little r going to be? Your little r will always go from the closer graph to the axis of rotation. So my little r, which I'll call R2, which I've already done, is going to be big X minus small x. So it's going to be the green line minus the blue line. Well, the green line we know is 3. And then the blue line, that's -1. I just realized up here, this is minus this, which should be -1, not +1. So it's going to be 2 plus y over 2. Okay, back to this one. I want the x value of this blue line. So I have to solve for x. So if I solve for x, I'm going to get x equals 2 minus y. So it's going to be 2 minus y. So the rest, I'm going to let you do. You plug this in here, you plug this in here, and then you just do some basic integration. And that's how you do number 51. And that's the end of this.